something. Why is it so small? We made a part. We made one, but we made it upside down. It was an unboxing video. You're running where you are right now. You're taped on a toy car, and we're gonna go drive you. Hit it.
Wait. I think it's off.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'll pause this.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hit it. Guys, gotta get the controls better.
It goes up all the way.
Sure, we gotta put some more tape. I'll see you guys.
We back, guys, and we made it better. What? You guys see it right? You guys see it right? I hope you can. Yeah, guys, you guys are inside the car. Oh, yo, guys. You guys like this? Is awesome, right? Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is awesome.
I'm gonna go return this to Grandpa. Okay.
What up? God, that was crazy. The bathroom, I'm gonna go return the tape. But yo, guys, is that fun or what? It feels like legitimately, guys, you're on the car. See, guys, look at that. I know you guys can't see anything. Ugh.
My mom is crying.
But guys, I think I'm gonna end this because guys, this
Wait,
was.
no, we're gonna pause it here.
Oh, okay. I guess we're gonna pause it. Bloopers.
Guys, comment below if you want me to make a Wolfenstein Old Blood Part 11.
I think it won't.
Yeah, well.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna try
If
to.
I see one comment saying,
Put your face up.
if you guys want me to play Wolfenstein Old Blood, I'll do Part 11. If you guys comment, one comment.
Guys, I think we should end this. Sebastian, I think we might have to end this.
Look, we got that tape on there for nothing?
Yeah, but then we'll make another video.
Yeah, but we should keep it like here because it's more better, right?
Yeah, I guess. Guys, we'll make a part 2 of the car. We're gonna go see how this video is, but I hope you like this video. We'll make a part 2. But next time, if we ever make a part 3 on the car, we'll probably do it outside in the snow. We're not gonna tape the phone to it, because it might get in the snow or it might fall down and break.
Yeah.
Yeah, so one of us will hold the phone and film it. Hope you guys like this video, and goodbye, my home!
Gamers.
And Cheez-Its.
Bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Go check out Cool PC Yellow. It will be coming back this August 4th. Peace.
Bye.